I am at Napleton Porsche in Westmont, Illinois, and I'm here to see the 2025 Macan GTS. Here it is right here. I was considering this as a replacement for my 2020 Jetta, and I'm actively looking for something. So I do like this Python green. It looks really cool. Here's a close-up shot of it on the side. It looks really nice. They've got it shined up, of course. And it looks really good. You can see it has adaptive cruise control. I've tried it out before. I'm not quite sure how to use it, but it is pretty cool, and it did work, but I wasn't sure exactly how to make it work. So we'll come around to the passenger side here. Nice black mirror caps, add a little something to it, as do the black door handles. Take a little peek at the window sticker. Hard to read, but it was quite expensive. We'll come back around to the side here. And I like the rear end. Oh, I don't know if you noticed the window trim looks like high gloss black. But the tail lights look like the exclusive design. I don't know if they call that for the Macan. There you see it says Macan GTS on the rear end. Back hatch. So I went in and out of this car, checked it out from top to bottom. And I hate to say this, but it sold while I was there. I was only here for maybe 20 minutes. Here's an interior shot. So you even got the sports chrono here. It's very nice. It has all the doodads on it you could imagine. I believe it has Apple wireless CarPlay. I know most all cars have them now. 2020 it wasn't wireless. Here we see it from the other side. Is that cool or what? Nice seats. I sat in the car, like I said, I sat in every seat, checked out the whole thing. I think it's 18-way adjustable, if I'm not mistaken. I don't really like this Alcantara or Sports Tech steering wheel. Here's a door. You see all the carbon fiber on there. It's stitched in green. It really adds something to it, as the seat belts are too. And you see the analog gauges. I really like that a lot. It seems like cars are going away from that more and more. And there's the sports chrono, a little close-up shot of it. Very nice. And you can see the stitching there. I don't know if you noticed when we panned over. Here's the driver's side. I love these rims on here. I think these are called the GT Silver rims. They're black. I think they're satin. And the side blade is high gloss black, if I'm not mistaken. And I like that GTS is green. That really looks nice. And again, you can see the mirror caps. Here's an upper aerial shot. Napleton Porsche has 2 levels, so the showroom is 2 floors. It's really cool. So I hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe. I keep forgetting to say that in my videos. So yeah, this is Napleton Porsche in Westmont, Illinois, and unfortunately the car sold while I was there. SUV sold while I was there.